space is very काय बोलतात रे?
बोल
हे यार
अण्णा झालं बोल ना
कोण
अण्णा झालं बोल
हे ये सुजल हा रोहित थांब रे अरे गप गरम होईल
एक घरावर
मोनवा आणि मग आमची व्हिडिओ काढ रोहित गप रे सो दिस इज नॉट अ रिफ नॉट राईट नाव थांब रिफ नॉट बांधणार गोइंग ऑन नो वॉटर विल गेट काय बोलतात साचण्याला काय बोलतात हां हां हे गाईज हॅपी अक्षय तृतीया टू एव्हरीवन and on this special occasion I have purchased 3% tent from Decathlon as we, in future we are going to plan one night stay in nature. So any other persons who are so excited to plan their future trips and one night stay in nature, so you can go for Decathlon tents which are perfect. So now I am going to set up the tent, so let's check out the video. Okay, let's go. This is the main tent. Okay, so let's check out what they have provided. Okay, so it is the instruction manual. So this is the instruction manual. So how to set up the tent, they have mentioned it all here. Okay, and they have also provided the hooks that we need to attach them in ground. These are the hooks and these are the ropes. They have provided 4 ropes and 12 hooks. Okay, but this we will see it later. First we are going to open our tent. This is the rain cover. हे पकड़ ना, हे नंतर आता. The rods they have provided. These are self-attached rods. Just we have to put this in this. Okay, जवळ न येता गो. So this basic tent is are ready. So you can use this tent in summer, just this tent. And if it's raining, then we should use this cover. Let's check out what's inside. आता दाखव. Afterward we have to attach this here.
चुकीचा लागलाय
Okay, so our tent is ready. Okay, so let's check out how much we can fit inside. The tent is very spacious, so you can also keep your mobile phones, your belongings here. Okay, so now let's check out how much adult people can sleep here. Okay, so as I am 5 feet 10 inches, so let's check out. Yes, it's comfortable. So guys, this is 3% tent, but 4% can sleep easily. Okay, the space is way more comfortable. Okay, thumbs up for this. Hi. याशी म्हणजे मच्छरदाणी वगैरे पण यूज करू.
आणि हे पण हवं.
हवा आहे नाही काय हे ओपन ठेवू शकतं.
फ्राय घेतलात की नाही सगळं झोपला तो पूर्वी 3 माणसांचं सांगितलं
है ना?
बघ
They have provided one strap here where we can hook here. Okay. So it will remain open. Okay. So they are provided with this hook. Okay. So right now the surface is solid, so I can't pierce that inside this. So if anywhere you are in somewhere in jungle where there is a soil, okay. So what you have to do now? You have to put this in such a way like this, okay, and the angle should be like this, okay, and you should hammer it with a stone in this angle only, yeah? Don't do this or this, okay, in this angle where there is a windy situation, okay. It is useful where there is lot of huge winds going on in mountains where we are trekking now. So at there now very rapid winds are going on, so at that time these hooks are very useful. And also they have provided with ropes, so I will show you how to attach ropes, and in same way you have to attach that rope also for extra protection. So this rope they have provided with this tent, and it is really strong rope. So here we will see where we have to attach rope. So if you don't know how to tie a rope, then use a reef knot. It is a normal knot, but it is very strong knot. This is a reef knot, okay? It is the strongest knot, okay? We have to attach this hook in somewhere in soil, and afterward we again have to put a knot here. So this is how it looks, and it is for extra protection. Okay, and there is a huge rain going on, so at that time now use this get hook also in this location, because the water will not get collected nearby your tent. So this hook will deflect all the water from your tents. Okay, so that's all. So now we are going to pack it. Okay, let's go.